Hi, so we finish Vadaja Shirashula, right? So next comes the Pittaja Shirashula. Pittaja Shirashula Lakshana. Shiroabitabe Pittothe, Shiro Dumayanam Jwaraha, Svedo Akshidahanam Murcha, Nishi Shidescha Mardavam. Shiro Abitabe Pittothe in Pittaja Shirashula. Shiro Dumayanam. Shiro Dumayanam means what? The fumes are coming out from the head. The patient will feel like the hot fumes are coming out from the head because it is the predominant disease. Shiro Dumayanam Jwaraha. Fever will also be there. Svedo. Sweating will be more Svedo. Akshiddahanam. Eyes also burning sensation will be there in the eyes. Murcha. Murcha tiredness will be there. Nishi. Nishi Shidescha Mardavam. Nishi Shidescha Mardavam means Nishi in night time and also with cold things. Nishi Shidecha. Nishi and Shida. Because of Nishi and Shida Mardavam, the pain will reduce. That Shirashula will reduce. So that is Pittaja Shirashula Lakshana according to Ashtanga. So Shirobitabe Pittothe in Pittaja Shirashula, Shiro Dumayanam, fumes will Dumayanam, fumes will come out of the Shira, Jwara, fever will be there, Svedo, sweating, excess sweating, Akshiddahanam, Daham means burning sensation in the eyes, Murcha. Murcha means because of this excess sweating, fever, and all, will feel like it is full tired or full unconscious like that. Murcha. Nishi Shidescha Mardavam because of in night time and if there is cold or if we apply cold things it will reduce. That is Pittaja Shirashula Lakshana according to Ashtanga Hridaya. Next comes Susra Samhita Lakshana. यस्योष्मा चितं यथैव यस्योष्मा अङ्गारचितं यथैव दह्येद धूप्यते शिरो अक्षिनासा शीतेन रात्रौश्च भवेद् विशेषः शिरो अभितापः स तु पित्तकोपात् यस्य उष्ण अङ्गारचितं यथैव दह्येते धूप्येत शिरो अक्षिनासा यस्य Ushma Ankara Chidam. Ankara means cold. Ushna Ankara means red hot cold. It will be like the patient will feel heat or heat inside like red hot cold. Like that. They burning like that. If we put red hot coal on the head, how it will burn, like that the patient feels. In Pittaja Shirashula, Desya Ushmam Angara Chidam Yateva, the hot coal, the hotness of the coal. Coal means, you know, right? Coal. So coal, Yateva, the how we burn a coal, like that we will get hot. Dupye means fumes are coming. Shiru Akshi Nasa. Where and all in Shira head, Akshi eyes, and in Nasa the patient feels this heat. Shidena Ratrauscha Bhaved Visheshataha. So because with the Shida and Ratri it will reduce. The Pittaja Shirashula will reduce. Shiro Abhitabaha Sa Tu Pitta Kobada. That is known as Pittaja Shira Koba Shirashula. So that is Pittaja Shirashula. Yasyoshmam Ankara Chidam Yatheva Dehyede Dupyede Shiro Akshinasam Shidena Ratrauscha Bhaved Visheshaha Shiro Abhitabaha Sa Tu Pitta Kopat. So that is Pittaja Shirashulam. So Pittaja Shirashulam according to Ashtanga and Susra Samhita. Ashtanga it is Shiro Apitabe Pittote Shiro Dumayanam. From head heat will come out, also excess sweating, jwara will be there, and burning sensation in the eyes, and also murcha. All these are the symptoms. And in Susra Samhita, Acharya is telling it the heat is resembling the heat of a red hot coal. So that, and also both the Ashtanga Hridaya and Susra Samhita it is mentioned with night Ratrau, and also with cold things the pain will reduce. These are the Lakshanas. Next comes the Chikitsa. Sorry. Rektaja and Pittaja will go hand in hand. So we will see Rektaja Shirashula Lakshana, and after that they both are having the same treatment. So after that we will go for Rektaja Shirashula and Pittaja Shirashula Chikitsa. First we will see Rektaja Shirashula Lakshanas. Rektat Pitta Adhika Ruchaha. So in Rektaja Shirashula Pitta Adhika Lakshanas. The Lakshanas are more than Pitta. So, Pitta Adhika Lakshana. Same Lakshanas you can see in Pittaja and Rektaja. But in case of Rektaja, the Lakshanas will be more. So, the severity will be more. That is according to Ashanadya. According to Susra Samhita, Rektatmakaha Pitta Samana Linkam Sparshana Asahatvam Shiraso Bhavescha. So, Rektatmakaha in Rektaja Shirashula Pitta Samana Lingam. The Lakshanas are same as Pitta Shirashula only. Sparshana Asahatvam. But what will be extra? Sparshana Akshamatvam. That means tenderness will be there. The patient won't allow to touch the head. Sparshana asahatvam. Shiraso bhavescha. That is according to Susra Samhita. So both acharyas are telling the same lakshanas of pitta will be seen in Rekta, and it will be more, the lakshanas or the severity of the symptom will be more in Rektaja, and also in Susra Samhita sparshana asahatvam. One extra symptom is also mentioned, that is tenderness will be there. Now we will see the Chikitsa for both Pittaja and Rektaja Shirashula. Shiro abhitape pittothe snigdasya vedayet siram शीताः शिरोमुख लेप सेग शोधन बस्तेः जीवनीयसृते क्षीरसर्पिषि पाननस्ययोः. So shiro abhitape pittothe snigdasya vedayet siram. So here Acharya is telling Shiro Abhitape Pittothe in Pittaja Shirashula. Snigdasya means after Snehapana, after giving Snehapana, Vedayed Siram. Sira Veda should be done. Bloodletting can be done. So first we have to give Snehapana. We have to give ghee or taila. For Snehapana in Pitta, ghee will be best. So Snigdasya, Snehapana should be given. After that, Vedayed Sira Veda, that is bloodletting should be done. Shidaha Shiro Mukha Leba Sega Shodana Bastayaha. Shidaha with Shida Vida Dravyas, Shiro Mukha in Shirasa head and in Mukha face. Lepa, Shiro, Lepa should be done. Sega, pouring of liquid or the pouring of taila or krida. That is Sega, that is Dara. We can tell that as Dara. Sega, Shodana Basteha. Basti, we can give Shodana using Basti. So, Shiro, Mukha, Leba, Seka. In Shirasa and Mukha, in head and face, we can give Leba and Seka. And then Shodana Basteha. Basti can be administered. So, Acharya is telling in Pitta, Shirashula, first we have to give Snehapana. Then we can go for Shira Veda. And also we can apply Shida Vidya, cold potency drugs. Using that, we can give Leba in the face and in the head, also Seka in the face and the head, and also we can give Basti using Shida Vidya Dravyas. Jeevaniya Sride Shira Sarpishi Pana Nasyayoho. For Pana and Nasya, for Snehapana and for Nasya, we can use Jeevaniya Sride Shira Sarpihi. That is Jeevaniya Krida can be used. That is prepared in Shira Sarpihi. Krida taken from milk. That we have to cook Jeevaniya Gana Dravyas, and that we can use for Pana or Nasya in case of Pittaja Shirashula. So Snehapana and for Nasya also Jeevaniya Gana Dravyas can be used in the form of ghee. Okay, that is a treatment mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya. So, Shiro Abhitabe Pittothen Pittaja Shirashula, we can first give Snehapana, then Siraveda, then with the Sida with the Devyas, we can give Leba and Sega in head and face, and also with that Sida with the Devyas, we can give Basti, and Nasya and Pana can be given using Jivaniya Dravyas. शर्करा कुङ्कुम सृतं कृतं पित्त पित्त अस्रिक् अन्वये. So sharkara kunguma sridam kritam. So krita prepared with sharkara and kunguma pittahara dravyas can be used for pitta and rekta shirashula. So using sharkara and kunguma we have to prepare krita and can be used for in pittaja and rektaja condition for nasyam hidam. प्रलेप सकृतैः कुष्ठ कुडिल उत्पल चंदनैः. Pralepa lepa mixed with ghee, which all drugs kushta, kudila is takara, utpala and chandana. These dravyas we can mix with krita and do lepa on the face and also in the head. So this is also another treatment mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya. So, for Nasya, Sharkara and Kumkuma prepared in Krita can be used for Nasya, and also for Leba we can use Kushta, Takara, Utpala and Chandana mixed with Krita can be used as Leba in Pitta and Rektaja Shirashula. This is the Chikilsa mentioned in Susro Samhita. Those were the Chikilsa mentioned in Ashtanga Hridaya. Next, we are going to Susro Samhita. पित्तरक्त समुत्थानो शिरोरोगो निवारयेत् शिरोलेपः स सर्पिष्कै परिषेकैश्च शीतलैः क्षीरे क्षीर इक्षुरस धान्याम्ल मस्तु क्षौद्र सिदाजलैः पित्तरक्तसमुत्थानौ शिरोरोगो निवारयेत्. So pitta rektakna chikilsa can be given in this shiroroga also. So pittakna and rektakna dravyas and treatment can be followed in pittaja and rektaja shirashula also. Shiro lebeihi sasarpishkai parishekaischa shidalaihi. So leba and parisheka can be done. We already saw in Ashtanga Hridaya, right? So leba and parisheka can be done along with the Shida Vida Dravyas and Sarpihi. Sarpihi means Krita and Shida Vida Dravyas. We can do Shiro Lepa and Parisheka also. Shira Ikshurasa Dhanyamla Mastu Kshaudra Siddha Jalehi. So Shira is milk, Ikshurasa sugarcane, water, Dhanyamla Mastu. Mastu is Dadi Mastu and Kshaudra Siddha Jala. Using any of Siddha Jala is sugar water. Using any of this we can do Parisheka. So that is the Chikilsa for Pitta and Rekta Shirashola. So Pitta Gina Chikilsa can be given here. Also we have to be careful. Shida Virya Dravya should be used for Legpa and Parisheka, and Acharya had given some example for that. This is Shiro Lepa. Shiro Lepa means putting leba on the head. Shiro Lepa. Nala Vajjula Kaklara Chandana Utpala Patmagaihi Vamsha Shaivala Yeshtyahva Musta Amporuha Samyudaihi Shiro Pralebehi Sakruter विसर्पेश्च तथा वितेः मधुरेश्च मुखालेपैर्नस्यैर्कर्मभिर् एवश्च. So here we have to use Nala, Vanchula, Kaklara, Chandana, Utpala, Patmaka, Vamsha, Shaivala, Yeshtyahva, Musta, Amporuha. All these dravyas we have to make into a paste and do Shirolepa like this. Sakrutehi, mixed with Krita and do Shirolepa. And Visarpa Tadha Videhi. That means Visarpa Chikilsa also we can give here. Madurehi mukhalepir nasya karmabhir evascha. With the Madura Gana Dravyas, we can do Mukha Leba and Nasya also. Using Madura Gana Dravyas, that is Pitta Hara Dravyas. So using these Dravyas, we have to make a paste and mix with Krita and apply on the head like Shiro Lepa, and also Visarpa Chikilsa can also given, and with the Madura Dravya Gana, we can prepare medicine and give for Mukha Lepa and also for Nasya. आस्थापनेर्विरेकैश्च पत्यैश्च स्नेहबस्तिभिः क्षीरसर्पिर्हिदं नस्यं वसावा जाङ्गला शुभा. So this is another treatment. Asthapana Vasti, Vireka, Patya or the Patyas, and Sneha Basti, and also Nasya using Shira Sarpihi or Vasa of Jangala. Jangala Pradesha can be Mriga can be used for treatment of Pitta and Rekta. So Asthabana Vasti can be given, Virejana can be given, and all the Patya should be followed, and Snehavasti can be given, and Nasya can be given with the Shira Sarpihi, Krida taken from our milk. That also we can use, or using Vasa from Jangala Mamsa. Jangala Mamsa Vasa can also use for Nasya in Pitta or Rektaja Shirashula. So this is Basti Netra. In Panchakarma, you will study all types of Basti, Virejana, and also Asthabana Basti, Sneha Basti is there, Virejana, we can give all the Patyas for Shiroroga should be followed, and Nasya using Shira Sarpi or Vasa of Jangala Mamsa can be used. उत्पलादि विपक्वेन क्षीरेण आस्थापनं हितं भोजनं जाङ्गलरसैः सर्पिषां च अनुवासनं मधुरैः क्षीरसर्पिस्तु स्नेहनैश्च स शर्करा. So Utpaladi Vipakvena Kshirena Asthapanam Hitam. Here Asthapana Vasti can be given using Utpaladi Gana. Utpaladi Gana Dravyas along with Shira. We have to Shira Vasti can be given in Pitta Rekta condition. So Asthapana Vasti using Utpaladi Gana mixed with the milk can be used. Bhojanam Jangala Rasaihi. Sarpisham cha anuvasanam. So bhojanam jangala rasaihi. For ahara, for bhojanam, we can advise them to take jangala mamsa rasa. Sarpishascha anuvasanam. Anuvasana vasti can be given using sarpisha, krita. Madurehi shira sarpishtu snehane cha sarsharkara. So Madura Dravya Gana, Madura Gana, Shira Sarpihi. So Krida prepared with the Shira Sarpi, this Krida taken from milk, and Madura Dravya Ganas can be used for preparing Snehane Krida, and mixed with Sharkara we can give for Pitta Rekta patient. So Madurehi, Madura Dravya Gana Krita can be mixed with the Sharkara and used for as Sneha Pana. So these are the treatment for Pitta and Rektaja condition according to Susruta Samhita. So Susrutacharya is mentioning we can give Vasti, that also both Asthabana and Anvasana Vasti. Asthabana Vasti can be given with Utpaladi Gana Dravyas with Shira, and Sneha Basti or Anuvasana Basti can be given with the Sarpesha. Sneha Basti, another name is Anuvasana Basti, though that we can give with the Sarpesha. Only Krita we can use for that Vasti, and Bhojanam we have to ask them to have a Jangala Rasa food. Mamsa Rasa can be used, and Nasya can be done with the Shira Sarpihi or Vasa of this Jangala Mamsa, Jangala Mrikha, and also Virejana and Patya should be followed. And here Snehapana can be given with Madura Dravya Gana, Dravya Krita mixed with the Sharkara. All these are Pitta and Rekta Hara Chikilsa. Pitta Reknagna Muddishtam Escha Anyad Abhi Tadhidam. Any other Pitta Rekta Hara Chikilsa is there also, we can follow in this Shirashula. So Pitta Rektagna Muddishtam Escha Anyad Abhi Tadhidam. So if we are feeling some other Pitta Rekta Hara Chikitsa is needed for patient, at that condition we can follow that also. So in Pittaja Shirashula, all the Pitta Rekta Hara Chikitsa can be given. कर्तव्यं रक्तजे अप्येतत् प्रत्याख्याय च शङ्खके. So कर्तव्यं रक्तजे अप्येतत् प्रत्याख्यायाश्च शङ्खके. So in Rektaja and in Shankaka condition, the same treatment, Pittaja Shirashula Chikitsa can be followed. So that is the Lakshana of Pittaja Shirashula, Rektaja Shirashula and Chikitsa for both Pittaja and Rektaja Shirashulas. Hope you all understood these lakshanas and chikitsa of Pittaja and Rektaja Shirashuda. Thank you.